Hey, how's everyone doing? It is Phil with Total Roofing and Construction, and today we're going to highlight the traditional routes for funding an exterior project, and we've shed light on ways to combat costs in other episodes such as the insurance route. However, today with funding your exterior project, we're actually going to discuss ways you can almost utilize these tools also adjacent to an insurance claim to help protect your pockets and extend some of the money for your home. Traditionally, the key ways to fund your exterior, as many of us know, is traditional funding, right? Cash, check, and even more of late in the last decade, credit cards. Some people are utilizing those. Another option is you had an insurance claim, right? For the cost of the deductible, that is your only responsibility in terms of that project. However, as we've been doing more insurance claims, what happens is maybe a roof gets approved, but now the idea of, hey, maybe I do a window or siding at the same time. So of late, financing has actually been a great partner for us to help extend those options for you as a homeowner or a business to kind of improve the property all at once while having less of an upfront cost. So a cool thing about Total Roofing and Construction, we have a great service partner service finance. So if you were to call us, generally our project managers will kind of just teach you and guide you on some of these options that our partners provide for you. It's really entirely up to you on how you guys want to proceed. All of our reps will have kind of a sheet that we have called a credit center to give you kind of a glimpse on what options are out there. First, before you guys finance anything or even entertain how to pay for a project, you really want to categorize what type of improvement you're doing. Is this a short-term repair where maybe it's under a couple $1,000s? Is this half of a roof or just a couple windows? Or is this, hey, this is our forever house, we want to update all of the siding and windows at once? And really, once you kind of categorize where you fall with that project, it gives you a better idea on what options are allotted for you. Do I want to do short-term or a long-term plan, such as a 120-month type of fixed finance rates? A lot of it is contingent on credit scores, how long you've been in the home as well, and the partner and you guys can discuss. If it's an urgent matter, our applications, you could even go on our website and it'll lead to the same form. It takes less than 5 to 10 minutes. Once you're approved, you'll meet with our team. We'll figure out what options and what renovations you want to do. And no money is dispersed. As long as you have that approval letter, it puts us in position to know that, hey, the project's funded, we can get to the creative, the permitting, and then start scheduling that extreme makeover for your house. So within 5 to 10 minutes, you guys can have an understanding of how you're able to fund, whether it's a repair, or maybe you just want to fund that larger deductible that you didn't know that was 2% of your policy, or hey, I could renovate my entire house over a 10-year period and be happy with it. But the big thing, whether you use us for a financing partner, what are your warranties with that suggested thing you're doing? If you're looking at those longer term fixed rates, I really urge you guys, hey, do I have a workmanship warranty that's 5 to 10 years? Because really, if you're making payments on those kind of renovations, you want to make sure you still have that protection on the items you paid for. Whenever you go through financing, we always educate you guys about warranties with the roof that you may be choosing, just so you have a second layer of protection with the item you're purchasing, right? If there ever is an issue and you're still making those monthly payments, I have someone to call as well as a manufacturer warranty on those goods. So those are the two things you really want to just check. Hey, if I am going to be financing and paying this route, do I have warranties in place to protect me every month that I pay? But another last caveat for funding a project, which is becoming a lot more prevalent in the last 3 years, is HELOCs, so a home equity line of credit. And what that is, it's pretty much as homes have appreciated in value. Many of you guys, especially in our Northwest Indiana, you guys have appreciated equity in your home. So if you know this is your lifelong home and you're ready to kind of renovate, we actually advocate to go through those means prior to extending to maybe a financial partner within home improvement. And it's a good source because you'll actually have a better idea and stance on where you're at with your home value, as well as a great tool to help enhance that home, adding further value. And generally, a HELOC could take anywhere from 30 to 90 days. And we also have partners and referrals we can share with you on that process. So really, nothing's changed, but in the last decade, financing deductibles as well as the roof as a whole becoming a lot more prevalent, and it is a tool that we at Total Roofing and Construction have that we can extend to you to kind of help get you protected and safeguarded from the next storm.